The Rod Holder II can be installed and locked into any starport. It can be rotated through 360 degrees at 45-degree increments by removing and repositioning. The rod angle can be adjusted by loosening the knob on the side of the rod holder, allowing up to 90 degrees of adjustment. The Rod Holder II has a drop-down gimbal at the back to prevent the rod butt getting fouled on the deck. It also has a rotating collar at the front of the holder to allow easy retrieval of the rod after a strike. Or you can secure your rod against strike theft by lifting the gimbal and sliding the reel inside the collar before rotating. Thanks for watching. For a full list of Railblazer accessories, visit our website railblazer.com.